This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Rear shock replacement. Apply the handbrake. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Insert a screwdriver into the slot in the hubcap and pry the hubcap off. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Place a floor jack under one side of the rear axle, raise the axle, then support it with a jack stand placed under the end of the axle between the leaf spring clamp studs. Remove the rear wheel lug nuts and remove the wheel. While counter-holding the bolt with a wrench, remove the rear shock absorber lower mounting nut. Loosen and remove the shock upper mounting nut. Note that because the upper mounting nut has a protruding flange that prevents it from turning past a certain point, the bolt will need to be turned. Remove the lower and upper mounting bolts and remove the rear shock absorber. Install the shock absorber into the mounting brackets. Insert the lower and upper new bolts and screw on the new nuts. Tighten the rear shock absorber new upper and lower fasteners to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure for the remaining rear shock absorber. Install the wheel and lug nuts. Lower the rear of the truck to the ground. Tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the wheel trim caps. Release the handbrake.